Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn SQL and Python, a full guide. We'll cover the fundamental steps to master both powerful languages, enabling you to unlock new opportunities in data. Understanding SQL allows you to interact with databases efficiently, while Python provides the tools for advanced analysis and automation. This combination is incredibly valuable for anyone working with data. To master SQL, start with the core commands like select, from, and where to retrieve specific data. Next, learn how to combine information from multiple tables using various join types. It's also crucial to grasp concepts such as data types and key constraints, which ensure data integrity. Consistent practice with these fundamentals will build a strong foundation. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your healthy meals fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. For Python, begin with the basics: variables, control flow, and essential data structures. Once comfortable, dive into powerful libraries like Pandas for efficient data manipulation and NumPy for numerical computing. Finally, learn to connect Python directly to your SQL databases using tools like SQL Alchemy, allowing seamless data integration and analysis. The best way to solidify your learning is through hands-on projects. Start by creating a simple database, populating it with data, and then using both SQL and Python to query and analyze that information. Documenting and sharing your projects on platforms like GitHub not only demonstrates your abilities, but also provides valuable experience for your portfolio.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.